So I'm back on my alt account because I really don't want to play on my actual account to do challenges. I probably will in the future, but for right now, I'm just gonna be playing on my alt account. I'm gonna be doing the shotgun only challenge. It's pretty easy. If you enjoy the video, please leave a like, and let's get right into it. Where are we landing? That's the actual question we're facing today. I think I want to do a hot drop, but I don't think that's a good idea. Because if I don't find a shotgun, and within like 5 seconds, I'm dead. I'll do a salty. It's not too hot of a drop. Who is coming here with me, bro? Holy fuck, there's so many people coming. I can't pick that up. I got a shotgun. No. I got him. I gotta go. Downstairs now. Please give me on the gun. Oh. Okay, I can use grenades, by the way. I can use grenades. Grenades are pass. I can use those. Okay. No! I got a bolty out of that? There was another shotgun upstairs, I think. I don't know what it was, though. So, stinks, nades, and... Yeah, stinks and nades. I don't know if they have clingers in the game still, but I can use any grenade. People across the street from me. I need to leave this house and get out there. Please give me shields. Grappler. I already have one of those. We gotta get active. We actually do have to get active here. I'm pushing this fight. If it's the first fight I push, I don't care. I gotta push this fight. I'm stinking them. Stink them. Fart on them. Fart on them. I'm farting. Ain't never met a farter. Ain't believing us. Okay, I know exactly where he is in these builds. Let's fly over this. There's no way I die. Alright, bro, where are we going? I think I want to go Frosty, pick off a kill. Probably gonna be a bot. Pick off a kill, get a shotgun in a plane, and then I just dive on people in that thing. I just get easy kills. That's my plan for this game. Okay, we finally got here after landing low. I need a shotgun, bro, bad. The rule is I can't get a single kill until I get a shotgun. I know somebody landed here. I barely know where any of the loot is here. I haven't been here in actually forever. Okay. Yeah, just give me an AR. I'll work with that. It's fine. No worries. I think I saw a shotgun over there. I'm not sure though. Can I get a shotgun? Please. There's no reason to go AR at all. Shotgun, please. Bro, shotgun, please. Bro. Here we go. We're in business. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in business. Nope. I'm not messing with that guy. Buy me time, please. I'm out of here, bro. Let me drink my fucking big pot. There's no way I didn't skid. So yeah, I might have died to that guy. I'm hoping I can land far enough back where nobody goes to that spot, you know? I didn't see anybody land here. See a guy landing there. He's gonna land on that pump. That guy just took it. Give me a shotgun. That's not a shotgun. Get out of my inventory. Break this. Give me a shotgun. No shotgun. Love to see it. This game is my favorite. Yeah, this might have been the worst challenge idea ever. This is definitely the worst challenge idea ever. One last chest, bro. Give me it, please. A hand. Bro, I'm getting such good loot. Bro, please. I'm actually begging. Give me a shotgun. I'm using this. No, I see no ground loots. That's like your best bet in this is ground loot shotguns. like it actually. I gotta go park. Let me pop this. Okay. I'm breaking this tree because I need mats desperately. But I don't want anybody to like know I'm here. No, just fuck off. Please leave me alone, man. No. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Our best bet is to loot this and maybe factories should come back to Tilted. Yep, bless me.
Can you bless me with something?
Oh gosh.
Money-wise. Please.
Can you suck it?
What?
Or don't. Bless me with the big pot. Sounds good. I'm actually so fucked right now. I have no shotgun. How? Okay, they might need to up the spawns. I thought this would be an easy challenge, just like easy W's, but it's actually not. This is so hard. I need these mats. Oh, leave me alone. Blue pump. Let's go. We're in business. Ooh. Let's go. That's one kill on the board. What do you have? Blue tack? I'll take it. I think I saw another blue pump up there while I was fighting. Chug jugs, blue tack. Do I take the tack or do I take the pump? Or do I take both? Do I trade out this chug jug? I'm going to hold on to this for now. Yep, look at that. Blue pump up there. How did this get down here? I blew it up. Okay, boys. We found somebody. It's not good. Did I just rocket ride his thing? Yep, chill. I think I just rocket rode his grenade launcher midair. What was that, bro? Dead. Holy. Okay, we're done here. We gotta go back to this chug jug. That boy rolled up, thought he was him. He was not. Oh my gosh. I got a phone call. That's why you guys didn't see me get engaged that fight. I still clapped him though. That kid was dog shit. For unnecessary reasons. I think I actually did rocket ride his grenade launcher bullet though. Okay, could it go any slower? Yo, this looks crazy, bro. I wonder what the update's gonna be. I'm so confused. Big fight, big fight. Get out your box. Dead. Little boy. Yeah, I think this kid had a spaz, so I'm grabbing that, first of all. There we are. Trading out the blue pump for the rifts. Okay, now I have mobility, heals, and shotgun. Doesn't matter. I'm getting out of here, dude. I killed the guy, I'm getting out. Get me out. Okay, this kid at this head. Don't land up there and beam me, please. That's exactly his idea. I knew it. How did I know that? This kid over here is gonna be the death of me because he seems like he's good. No way, I died to that kid. Alright, we gotta put on a good skin at least. I'm not going in without a good skin. This skin. Boom. I had to do it, don't I? Alright, perfect. I don't even know where to land anymore. I'm just gonna go soccer field and hope for the best. I'm actually so bad. I don't know how I haven't gotten even top 5. It's alright. What? That sounded too nostalgic. That sounded nice. I like that sound. Alright, first things first, shotgun. Then we can go do other stuff. There we are, baby. And we got a grenades and a big pots. I'm gonna nade him. I'm gonna blow him the fuck up. I'm blowing this kid up, dude.
Kobe!
Bang. Oh! With one nade! One nade. Yo, he got a golden heavy out of that. Okay. Well, we got a pump and attack, so we're set up. I will not let myself lose this game. I don't care. Whatever it takes, bro. I do not care. I want to go tilted, but I know if I go tilted, it's going to be the death of me. Fuck it. We're going tilted. We're fucking pickaxe the bot. Alright, tilted. Where is everybody? Oh, wow. Got him. We're going up there. $16. Oh! Dead. Oh my gosh. I need a mini. Bush is off. No, what is that, bro? Dead. Oh my gosh. Give me my box. Where you going, little guy? Dead. Oh my gosh, he's literally trash. What's that kid doing? Let me take this. The other guy comes over here and shits on me. 7 kills, 17 people left. This might be the game. This might be the game. 2, 2. I'm getting out of here. Respectfully, I'm not dealing with that right now. I need to stock back up. Bro, count your days, motherfucker. You're dead. Why are you running away? Like, you're dead. You're as dead as can be, buddy. Give me that crown.
GG. Let's go. Too easy, dude. Give me that crown.
13. I gotta use this chug jug again. Movement. That rift is gonna be like everything. No, let me fucking... I think we're going... No, fuck off. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We are gonna push this fight. Dumbass. Like, why? Who are you trying to piece, bro? You're not. I don't really use the tack much. I guess I could for, like, breaking walls and stuff. That's really all. I hit poo-poo loot. Okay. Well, we just wasted grappling. Gotta be a bot. There's no way it's not. Good enough. Okay, this kid's just raining down. Okay. This is where we box up. In full metal. And, we don't fuck with that guy. When are they gonna fight, bro? Where's zone? Give me zone, give me zone, give me zone. You fucker. We gotta go. Wasn't my fault. We gotta go. He built right next to me. If they have visualized sound effects, they will know I came up here because of that grab. That's alright. Swear he was up there. They have no clue. Fight each other. What are they doing? Now is when we strike. He dropped. He's gone. He said third party rolled up. I'm out of here. Okay, so we're all pussy, I guess. Cracked him. I'm out too. Fuck it. I'm going far zone. I'm on top of the hill. I got high ground. We're good. Hey, you're the kid I shot. Ramp rush. Never seen this one. It's OG. Get fucked, buddy. What are you doing? And this kid's gonna glide on me. Die. Give me your Spideys. And this. I gotta go. I gotta go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Listen, 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 listen. Okay. Shift damage. Good enough. I'm good. I'm chilling. I don't give a fuck. At 3 seconds, I'm spiding to this tree and I'm getting edge zone. Why is he shooting? He doesn't know where I went. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. I fucking won. I won. I won. Oh my gosh. I'm done, bro. I'm done. That's it. I'm never doing a challenge ever again. I don't care. Thank God. Thank God it's over. Oh my gosh, bro.